What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to clear your TikTok search history. If you're looking to remove previous searches from TikTok, there are two simple ways to do it depending on whether you want to delete individual entries or your entire search history. First, open the TikTok app and from the home feed, tap the search icon in the top right corner to access the search page. Here, you will see a list of your recent searches. To delete any individual search term, just tap the small X icon next to it. This immediately removes that specific term from your history. If you want to clear your full search history, start by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to go to your profile page. Then, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Once inside, scroll down to the section labeled Content and Display and tap on Activity Center. In the Activity Center, choose Search History. You will see your full search history here. Tap Select in the top right corner to begin choosing entries to delete. You can manually select individual search terms, or if you want to clear everything at once, tap Select All Search History in the bottom left. Then tap Delete All. TikTok will prompt you to confirm that you want to permanently delete your search history. Tap Delete and your entire search history will be cleared. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.